Hey, if you want to input SIM card into your Nokia 105 from 2023, first of all, just remember to get this big size of the SIM card. So as you can see in my case, I have the nano SIM card and I cannot actually put this SIM card because it's too small. So I have to buy this extension and I have to get it bigger. So I have to put my SIM card into this two frames. So that's the first frame and also the second one. And if you wonder where you can actually get it, you can probably get it on any mobile store in your arena. I actually get it in the mobile store and in the center mall. Whoopsie. So now let's go into the phone, and as you can see, when you have this phone like this, you'll have to rotate into the right side, and at the bottom you can find this small cutout. So you can use, for example, your fingernail and gently rise and lift this cover. So now we can also do this from here and it will pops up. Now you'll have to remove your battery, so we can also use this cutout and input your fingernail, for example. Gently take it off. If you cannot do this with your fingers, like in my case, you can also use thin items. As you can see, that's the SIM tool that you can actually use. And after this, you will be able to take it off. So from here, we've got two SIM card slots, the first and the second one. So now just put properly this card into your frame. And now put it right here and slide into this slot. And as you can see right now, it's actually on the SIM slot first, and you can put the battery back like this with the gold pins. Put the cover back, and then turn on your phone by holding this button. Now you have to wait until your phone turns on. It will take around a few seconds, and after this you will be able to use your Nokia cell phone. And as you can see, I input my SIM card correct because I have to input the SIM code. So it means that everything is fine. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.